Welcome to French Class 101. Today, we will learn about the different organs in the human body. In a few moments, different organs of the body will appear on your screen. You will also see and hear the name of those organs in French. Try to repeat after me. Coeur, cœur, poumon, poumon, estomac, estomac, appendice, appendice, foie, foie, pancréas, pancréas, vessie, vessie, diaphragme, diaphragme, intestin, intestin, rate, rate, cerveau, cerveau. Now it's your turn to try. These same organs will now appear in a random order. Try to name them. Did you succeed? If not, don't hesitate to rewatch this video as many times as you need. Also, if you'd like to learn more about French or learn about other languages, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.